In this video, I will show you how to lock your Instagram app. Now simply open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for App Lock Pro. So once you search for the app, it's going to bring out multiple options. So make sure that the one you are installing is this exact one that you can see over here: App Lock Pro, App Lock and Guard. Now this app is currently having about 100 million downloads, so go ahead and install this app to your device. Now once it's installed, simply open the app. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use this app to lock your Instagram app to get a lot of privacy. Now once it's open, click on get started. Then it's going to ask you to insert a 4-digit pin. You can actually click on this 4-digit pin. Like if you click on it, it's going to show you some different options like 6-digit pin, pattern, or I don't know what this one is, but it's called knock code. So you can pick any one of your choice. But as for me, I'm going to be going with the 6-digit pin. So I'm going to go with something simple I can easily remember, and that's 5050. Create. Now it's going to ask me to verify my pin, so I'm going to insert it again for the second time. 5050. Then I'll click on save. You can also enable biometrics, which is your fingerprints and stuff like that, but for this video I'm not going to be using that, so I'm going to click on not right now. Now we have to do some important stuff in here. Now you can see that it actually needs me to do some stuff, so let me click on let's do it. Now it's going to take me to my settings. All I have to do is look for App Lock Pro, turn it on, and then I move on to the second one. I'll click on permit and continue, allow, and then this is the last one. I'll also click on permit, and then I'll look for App Lock Pro. I turn it on and the app is fully ready. Now the app is turned on, so let's click on OK to access the interface. Now there's actually two sections in this interface. There's this section that is locked. You can see the lock section, and also there's this other section which is the unlocked section. So right now you can see that it have actually locked a lot of app already, but I don't need this app locks. The only app I need locked is my Instagram app, so I'm going to be unlocking all of these apps and leaving just Instagram. You can see that Instagram was already locked as well automatically, so I'm going to be leaving just Instagram and I'm going to be unlocking every other thing. Alright, I'm totally done with that. Now you can see that the only app that is locked is my Instagram app. So let's give it a try and see if it's actually working. So once I open my Instagram app, it's going to ask me for a pin. Now nobody will be able to access my Instagram app except they have my pin. Now once I insert the pin, which is 5050, it's going to open right up. So this is how you can easily lock your Instagram app on any device to prevent people from actually accessing your Instagram DM or other files that you have available in your Instagram app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there, but I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.